Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to sing a brand new song just for my friends in France. I hope you guys are okay. Today's song is all about snack foods, teaching us some vocabulary. Are you ready? Well, come on then, let's go. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Let's eat some apple and salami or some nuts and broccoli or some crackers and some cucumber or a mango with a muesli bar. Yeah. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Let's eat some celery and a peach, or potato chips with a piece of cheese, or an apricot, a banana, some strawberries with some coconut. In your pocket, your purse, your handbag too, in your lunchbox, school bag, everywhere with you. Whoa! Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Let's eat some grapes, or fresh peas, or an egg, and seaweed, maybe a pear, with a cookie, or a slice of cake, with a smoothie. In your pocket, your purse, your handbag too, or your lunchbox, your school bag, everywhere with you. Snack food, I love my snack food. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Swing your pants. Snack food, I love my snack food. I love my snack food. Awesome! Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!